does it make sense, the data that we've entered? It would be nice to click on one of your maybe plantation forest or rubber agroforests. Yeah. So you've put some data, even if it's you know, from the internet. If you display the settings under economy, so for everyone to see the data you've put some productivity, very nice. You've put some, if you go down, you've put some costs, I assume, and benefits. And if you want to have a first check if your data makes sense, you can scroll a bit further down and check the viability. You have a button here above, check viability. And that will tell you, with the data that you've entered, whether people are earning money, are making a benefit with that land use, how much, or if they are losing money. So in this case, I don't know in Indonesian rupiahs, if it makes sense or not, but at least you are not losing money. So probably it makes sense. Because very often what we see when we start putting data is that, in fact, here we have a negative value. So we may have done a mistake. That's just an invitation for you to double check your data. So I don't have the perfect data before going on the fields or on travel. I put the best data that I know. You know, I make a few phone calls, I look at the literature, but it's very imperfect data. And the first thing I do in the workshop with stakeholders or focus group is to validate all the data that I've put. And this is a really nice way to start the conversation with the stakeholders, because you give them responsibility, you give them the power to influence, you know, your own work. And it's a very nice way to actually collect good data, because you have a basis and then people reveal, you know what, no, actually it's not 2 tons, it's 2.3 tons of production per year. So it's a way of accelerating also your data collection.